Anesthetic administered. GCS.
Empty. Still conscious.
Subject motor function.
Good. Some shaking.
Procedure beginning shortly, but I need you to breathe. As I count to 3.
Recruiting data on our coding revisions, preparing sites for potential decisions. A difficult decision, but a promising condition. This is the turning point, the breakthrough, my vision. Four brand new eyes. She cut her ties. Green eye core she took for her metamorphosis. One shut door to save more. 30 seconds, but humanity resists. Who tells you when it's time to step out across the line? Is it you? Is it them? Is it anyone? Or do you choose to condemn what's been said and done?
Do not resist the oxygen. We'll all be over soon. This is recovery. Breathe.
Just a lab rat cannot turn back. A sign, contract, but the choice she made was a worthy trade. She sacrificed for us, chose to lay down her trust, risked her own life for change. But one last step remains.
This is the beginning of your story. You will be a hero. Morale. She's awake.
Process finished, concluding current tests. Vital signs display considerable amounts of stress. Breathing new, damage eternal, yet subject to relative success. Four brand new eyes. She cut her ties. Green eye core she took for her metamorphosis. One shut door to save more. 30 seconds, but humanity resists. Research and testing, oh, there's no time for resting anywhere. Humans protesting everywhere, but I have the answer to the best. Her vision's tinted by green. She sees the world of my dreams. It's just so wasteful to see. They cannot see what she sees.
But to me, she's a loyal subject.